Hey guys, and welcome. In this video we are going to be discussing how does Experian Boost works. So I'm going to be teaching you step by step into the flow and how it basically works. So if you are into basically what is Experian Boost right now, if Experian Boost lets you include your history of certain on-time household bill payments. It also have a lot of other features, like for example, Experian Boost lets you choose which bills to share, and you can change that anytime. And we can even work around with FICO score. And if you want to know why you should use it, you can see we have that option here as well. Anyone can benefit from Experian Boost, but it's typically most helpful to users with limited credit scores, sometimes referred to thin file borrowers. So if you are one of that, you can simply try this out. It is going to be benefiting you. Of course, if you want to know how to sign into the platform, you can watch our previous videos where we teach step by step how to do that. And yeah, I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. If you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below. This is basically the official help I was onto the platform researching for you guys. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. See you guys in the next video.